Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe for making coconut milk at home. I have 2 glasses of coconut milk here, which is thick milk and thin milk. I have made this using coconut, which is cost effective and very easy to make. And if you're switching from dairy milk to some vegan milk, and this is the video you would want to watch. This is very easy to make. It can be used in curries and soups. It can also be used for beauty purposes like skin care and hair care, which is very good for you. I have used only one coconut in making this simple easy coconut milk. If you want to see how to make this, then please continue watching. To make coconut milk from the coconut, you need to select a coconut which is quite hard. The outer shell should be dark brown in color. It should be a medium sized to make at least 1 liter of coconut. When you shake the coconut, usually the water content inside should be less, not very bulky, so that the flesh inside would be very hard. So we should break it open by hitting it on a hard surface, and you can reveal that the coconut is quite good, quite fleshy. This is how it looks. So the once you just remove all the pulp from the flesh from the shell, this coconut, which the back portion of the coconut should have a dark brown color. The criteria would be that much only. So if you select a dark brown outer shell coconut, this is how it looks. So when you just squeeze it in between your palms, it should not break easily. That means this coconut is perfect for you to extract coconut milk. If it is quite fleshy, quite soft, then the milk won't be as thick and it won't taste much good. So first of all, you need to select how much of a milk you want. One medium sized coconut would get you 1 liter of milk, but here for my purpose, I'm just taking half a coconut where I have just cut it into or sliced it into thin slices. I'm going to wash it lightly, not much, just to remove all the dirt and whatever is there. So just pour water and just slightly just wash it, and you can grind it in a grinder, in a mixer jar. So just put it in the mixer jar, and meanwhile just heat a glass of water. This not too much to boil, not boiling temperature, just heat it warm, lukewarm, and you can grind it first without putting the water right now. Just pulse it, and this is how it looks. The coconut has become powdery. It's not fully paste, it has become powdery. Now the warm water, the lukewarm water should be poured into it, and it's not much, just half a glass of water, and you need to run the mixer or grind it into a very smooth paste so that the maximum milk is extracted. By adding water, you'll be extracting the milk from the coconut. So this is how it looks. This is where you get the thick milk. For extracting thick milk, take a bowl, take a clean a sieve or a filter, and add the ground coconut into it, and you can squeeze a little bit, not too much pressure, just squeeze a little bit so that you can extract the milk. So this is how you make first batch of thick coconut milk. This can be used in your preparations like pastries, creams. You can make a cream out of it. I have a video on that. I'll link put the link in the description box. The thick milk, you can extract coconut cream also. To make thinner milk, the second version of milk, this residue, the residue remaining after extracting the thick milk, should be again added into the mixer jar. Pour the remaining warm water and grind it into a thin paste like this. So just you have added enough water, this has become more watery, and the maximum amount of milk is extracted. So this has to be again sieved. You can see when you shake it, you can see it's quite watery. Sieve it, filter it. You can use a cloth also, and squeeze enough milk from this second batch of the coconut which you have just ground. So just put little pressure and you can extract the milk. So here I have two types of coconut milk. One is thick, one is thin. The thick milk can be used in so many purposes. It has so many varieties. You can store it in the freezer, freeze it, and use whenever you want. The thin milk, you can just put it, drink as it is, make some soups, put it in curries, and you can make coffee, tea, whatever you want. You can switch it from your regular dairy milk if you're allergic to it to this vegan coconut milk, which can be consumed, which is very good for your health, very good for your family's health. This can be made into yogurt also. So this is the way you can easily extract coconut milk from the coconut.